Hey guys, so I just got back on. I'm quite excited. Do you know why? Because all my deliveries came. So we're gonna do another unboxing video. So I got some things from Boohoo, man, Asos, and this is Cruise Fashion. So these are things I got from Boohoo, man. This is a shirt, some cargo trousers, a hoodie, and these are some baggy jean trousers. This is from Asos. These are Jordan 1s. See? Low. So, and these are from Cruise Fashion. So Adidas jumper, my trousers, and Adidas, I think, Shepherd jacket. This is the shirt. Looks big. It's like wool, so good for, you know, autumn is coming, so this is good. These baggy jeans, whoa, they're really big. I don't really like baggy that is this baggy. I just got comfortable with baggy. I used to be skinny or straight, so going this big is a risk for me, especially when I'm not Rema. Like Rema will wear massive baggy trousers, not me though. So the hoodie material is basic, it's alright, nothing crazy. I think this is what I'm looking forward to the most, to be honest. It's really good. You know what I mean? Jordan, come on. These are just beautiful, man. You can't even. What? Look. See, I used to want panda dunks, but it became too bait, so. And obviously, Jordan 1s are like dunks, so this is the next best thing I can get because it's not one color. Coincidentally, everything I got from Cruise Fashion by Adidas because they're on sale for mad cheap. How could I not? So this is the Sherpa jacket. Should be the tracksuit trousers. This is the jumper. See, it's Ivy Park for real. Yeah, I can see why this one was on sale because I heard Ivy Park doesn't really. It's not really like that.